this channel. Today the session we are going to see how to install and download a JDK path. Okay, the previous session I told you introduction Java, what is Java, what are the features of Java. In previous class I told about simple class, like that, what are the importance, simple.class and simple.java, simple.class and byte converter, like that. Today we are going to see the things with very easily you can understand with examples. First, the objective of today is how to download and install Java JDK 8 in Windows. Then you can see how to set permanent path of JDK Windows. So when you want to start Java program, I already told you how to run the Java program, how to compile and run. Before that, we have to keep the settings here. So for example, suppose in your computer, if you have already Java, please delete it. Word version, anything you can delete it, then come to this, then follow the steps here. Step number, so how to download and install JDK 8 in Windows. So the recent version steps here. If you want to install Java in Windows operating system, you can go step number 1, go to the following link called oracle.com. so you can click it. So there you can have we have a download option here. Then you can click on download JDK. You can for this website you will always get the Java latest version, Java's latest version available with open source is free. Then so it will show the like this. So here there will be Oracle JDK download option is there. You can go and select it. Then next step, accept the license agreement and download latest Java JDK for your version, whether your computer is 32 or 64 bit of Java for Windows, like that. Then so like that will be there. In the download option you can go and select if your system, for example, select so if it are supporting, you can go and select. If it's, for example, if it is a 64-bit operating system, you can go and select JDK 13.0.1 Windows X64, like that. Then after selecting, once the download will complete, once download complete, you can run the exe for JDK. Run the exe for install JDK. Then click next. Then it will show here like this. So like that icons will show here. So welcome to the installation itself for Java SE development kit 13.01, like that. So it will get to like that. Then you can press the next button. On step number 5, step number 4, select the path for Java installation and click next. So by default it go to C:. So if you want to, after try to installing it, will say install C program, C:, program files, Java JDK 13.1, and then you can click next. So at last, what happened, if you everything successfully downloaded means installed means you will get the finish button. Just you can finish. You can then later after this you can select the finish button and say, and you can make confirmation of Java successfully installed like that. So in Java program installation and it's not sufficient, then you have to set the path also, very important. These are things we are going to do only one time. So after that you can create any Java C, what are the operators, what are the applications can create, or create the programs and run anytime. Okay, now the thing is how to set permanent path of a JDK in Windows. So it's a simple procedure. I'm going to show in the icons format. Okay, the images and icons. So example, so if you want to set permanent path of JDK in Windows, you can go and select my computer, then select properties. The properties, go and select the advanced tab. The advanced tab can go environment variables. Then we can go to it will go to the dialog box, new tab of user variable. That means variable user can click. Then write path in variable name. Here what we are going to do, already we installed in the my computer in the C:. That address you can copy and paste here and write path of bin folder in variable value. Then finally click OK. Again give OK and again give OK. So we are going to see the diagrammatic representation. It's very easy to understand. So step number 1, I told you my computer, click properties. Then step number 2, there you can go and select other option, advanced system settings. Then you can go and select advanced one. Then you can go and select here, see here environmental variables there. It's important. Select environmental, you can go and click the environmental variables. Then there will be a new user. After in the environment, you can select the variable name path. New user variable, you can click there, you can type path and variable name, just give empty and give OK. Next step, you want to set the path now. So where you downloaded, so that you have to go and click the copy address. This means where is your JDK located. That, for example, local disk C program file Java in Java JDK 6.0 and / bin is there. So you can copy the address and paste in this next dialog box. So here you can go and select, you can paste here. After that you can go for OK. I already told in the beginning. Okay, you can give OK. Like this you can again go and check and give the OK. Then only your Java will be installed and path will be set successfully. So once path set, you can go to the command prompt. First of all, in the notepad you can type, for example, in the E colon, for example, in the E colon you can create a folder called hostbox CSC. There you can start a program a.java, b.java. After that you can come to the command prompt. There you can go and check the path. So you are successfully installed Java now. So you can, if you want, you can recheck it. It is some shortcut command. Then you can go and directly execute the program. That means Java space simple.java. Then finally you can run with the Java space program name, that is Java space simple, like that. Okay, this is a way of how to install, download, install the JDK and how to set the path. These are things we are going to see set only one time. Okay, in the upcoming session we are going to see the things like what is variable and what are the data available in the Java and so on. All the basic concepts we are going to discuss one by one. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment and share with your friends. Thank you.